Hey everybody, it's Miss Susan with Suzette's with Us, and today I want to talk to you about my latest puppet. So this is the week of Thanksgiving, and so while everybody is doing Thanksgiving story times, I decided to do something about the main attraction for Thanksgiving, and that is the turkey. I decided to do my story times about the turkey because I thought it would be kind of fun. It also gives me an opportunity to be able to play turkey sounds so the kids can hear what they sound like. Also, to read nonfiction books about turkeys, but then also to do a fun little song about a turkey. Now, I was looking online and I found out that someone had this idea, but they had created it into a flannel board. And as I was reading the information, I thought, oh my gosh, this would be so cute as a puppet. So I made one. So basically, what I did was I made 3 of these puppets because for my online story time, and you can definitely obviously do this in front of the kids once we're able to get back in front of our preschoolers, but I made 3 of them because I didn't want to have to worry about making the feathers interchangeable. I just wanted them to be 3 separate puppets. So if the kids were in front of me and I was actually doing a regular story time, I would introduce the puppet. I would tell them this is Tess, the turkey, and Tess wants to sing a song about her beautiful feathers. And let's go through the colors. So I'll walk through the colors with the kids. I'll say, this is black, this is red. Sorry, this is black, this is brown, this is yellow, and this is red. And once we go through the colors, if the kids were in front of me, then we would sing the song, which I'll leave the lyrics to the song in the description for you guys. So, but since we're doing it online, I'm just probably going to go ahead and sing the song. And the song goes like this. Excuse me. Did you ever see a turkey, a turkey, a turkey? Did you ever see a turkey whose feathers are so bright, with black ones and brown ones and yellow ones and red ones? Did you ever see a turkey with feathers so bright? Now, if the kids were in front of me, I would say, yay, congratulations, good job, Tess. And then I would say, okay, Tess, tell the kids goodbye. So I'd wave goodbye, and then I'd say, kids, say goodbye to Tess, and they would say goodbye to her. Now, if I was in front of the kids, I would have some sort of bag or box, something to be able to put Tess and the other turkey puppets in. But when you're doing Storytime online, you only see so much of me, so I could just set Tess on the floor, and then I can go ahead and get the next puppet. And again, if I had a bag or a box, I would say, okay, kids, we're going to meet our next puppet. His name is Tyler the turkey. Can you guys say hi, Tyler? And the kids would be like, hi, Tyler. And it's like, okay, we bring Tyler out of the bag or box or whatever you're using. I do the same thing again. Oh, Tyler has different colors. What are his colors of his feathers? So we go through the colors: pink, green, blue, and purple. Once we did that, we would sing the song again. Afterwards, I would say, all right, kids, let's say goodbye to Tyler. And the kids would say goodbye. And Tyler would go back into his bag or box. And then the last one, we would say, okay, this last one, his name is Chester, the turkey. And Chester is a little bit silly, so you're going to have to forgive him. But he has some really silly feathers. Can everybody say hello, Chester? So we would all say hello, and I would bring out Chester, the turkey. Say hi, Chester. Wow, your feathers are bright, aren't they? So we would sing the same song, but with a puppet like this, I would sing it a little differently. So it would go like this. Did you ever see a turkey, a turkey, a turkey? Did you ever see a turkey with feathers so bright, with polka dots and stripes and sparkles and a pig? Did you ever see a turkey with feathers so bright? Oh man, I can't wait for the day when I can get back around my kids, because I tell you, my preschoolers would totally love this. But of course, at the library, we're not allowed to have the kiddos in just now, but someday soon. But at least with the online story time, I can still sing this song and have a lot of fun, and the kids can sing it too. And the great job with having 3 puppets, is that you are singing the song 3 times, so it gives the kids an opportunity to be able to learn the song. And of course, by having the videos out there, they're obviously going to be able to play it over and over and over again. So if you would like to see the blog and the information where I found the flannel board, and if you enjoy making flannel boards and would like to make a flannel board of this turkey puppet, that information's in the description. However, if you want to try something different, and if you really like puppets like me or just want to try puppets, I'll also leave a link in the description on how I made this turkey puppet and how I made the feathers, and you can download that and you can give it a try. If you do give it a try, tell me in the comments, how did it go? What did your little ones think about your song and about your puppet? I'd love to hear how it went, especially for your online story time. Well, hey everybody. Well, that's it for me. My name is Miss Susan with Suzette's with Pets. Thanks so much for listening. Bye.